Okay, this video we're gonna go straight up that way, but before we do, we just kind of show you some of this other cool stuff. This one's changed ownership a few times. There's some other kind of cool buildings up this way. Got this little roundabout here with lots of traffic, but we're gonna head up that way, so stay tuned. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so right over there is called Inn Hotel. Should do a whole video with that one, but not today. If I did do an Inn Hotel one, I'd want to include some of this over here. There's a whole little area over here as well. I have filmed it other times as well. It's quite cool, but that's not going to be the focus. That goes up in the Gran Pequeño, Taipa Grande hill, I guess it's called a hill. There's like two hills that are kind of high up there. We're going to be walking along this one. There's parts of it right up there too. But it's one is called Big Taipa, the other is called Little Taipa. That one's big one, Grande. Also in here we got little alleys like this that goes down, so you could go. There's kind of a cool street over there. I've put videos up of that street before, but we're gonna focus on this one. Got some buses, Melco buses. Those are casino workers. So I guess they got out of work. There's a restaurant called 88. They got some Macau types of food. This one is Doner Istanbul, Turkish kebab. So that's actually quite good as well. Another alley that kind of goes. I did another video with that one another time, not too long ago. So I think in that video I filmed this one, a little bit of that. That's Inn Hotel right there. Kind of a monstrous facade of buildings when you're right in that spot. That's our mountain over there, Grande. Then over there is casino. So it's Taipa Grande. It's kind of confusing because the area we're in is called Grande, and then that mountain is called Taipa Grande. There's some food places. So this area is called Taipa, that mountain's called Taipa Grande, the other's Taipa Pequeño, Little Taipa, Big Taipa, has names of the mountains. And then, and that's that mountain right there. This is a Japanese restaurant that I've never seen open yet. Or maybe it is open, I've never been in it before. Looks closed. It's got a helmet on it and things like that. So that's our kind of cool looking street. And we're gonna keep on going up into this way. I don't think we're gonna go too long, but that's kind of a covered walkway. And right over there you can see the Venetian Casino straight ahead. And you can see that this road is kind of carved into this mountain thing, right? And there's a bunch of trails up there. You can also hike up there and overlook the airport. You can overlook Cotai Strip. You can overlook ferry terminal, things like that. I think you can kind of see a little bit of it up in that way if we were to keep going a little bit. I kind of want to walk down this way. So our main goal, this is going to be the name of the street. Let me just walk down a little bit further because I want to show you. There's Galaxy Casino. It's all part of Galaxy Casino. Those buildings are Galaxy, and that over there is part of China. That one over there, it's like across like a waterway area. It's gonna go a little bit further, run across this right here. And then right here, you're gonna run out of sidewalk. You're supposed to be over on that side to do this, what I'm gonna show you, but I'm gonna go down that hill in a minute. But this little walkway right here goes to that thing right there, and then that goes up into the hill with like an incline. I've filmed in there before, so I'm not going to film in there today. I just kind of want to show you this street, which is our Target Street, and then I just want to show you as well like how this Target Street goes into this little thing down here. So that's our Target Street right there. If you keep going down all the way, it goes to Cotai Strip. It's kind of a little bit of a hike with a lot of other distractions that look kind of interesting, but I just want to show you how this is connected. There's a little swimming pool right here, so you can see, and then that one goes all the way into Taipa Village. So that's Taipa Village, that's downtown Taipa, that's where we just came from. That's that mountain. Cotai Strip is over there. And this right here is like a little swimming facility. And the swimming facility is more easily seen from, you can walk on these cobblestone streets a little bit from here. The swimming area is right in here. And I think I'm just gonna go down a little bit to the waterfront, just kind of show you so you can kind of see how it's all connected. Okay, let's keep on walking down a little bit further. And yeah, up here it's called Rua de Praia, or is it Avenida de Praia? It's like Beach Street. We're gonna walk right to it. And then these type of houses as well. And let's see here. So that's the sports facility right there. And that's the incline up there, so we're gonna walk down a little bit further. Type of houses. There's a little beautiful park right there. Go down just a little bit further. There's a nice spike. Nice tree. And a nice view. So yeah, there's a type of houses all the way down. And this is called Avenida de Praia. So this whole thing right here, and then you have all these houses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 of them. Avenida de Praia. And it comes out to this little area right here. So yeah, if we would have followed that road, we would have followed it right there. That's a Cotai Strip that we would have went to if we would have stayed on that road, but instead we got detoured. And that's that mountain right there. So we couldn't see that mountain very well because we're so close to it, but now with a little distance you can see it more easily. And there's hiking trails that go all the way around this mountain to the overlooking the airport, definitely overlooking the Cotai Strip right here. Cotai Strip is all the casinos. This is all these little lily pads that people like to film a lot, take pictures of. This is our Avenida de Praia. Those are all our type of houses as well. So, okay. Hope you like that one. So yeah, our street was basically like that over there, Avenida de Praia, to this, and we came in over here. We could have kept going. All right.